So then when I got here, everything, it's like there, I would say it's like communicating vessels. Communicating vessels. There in Vrindavan, Krishna is very high, and Radharani is not so much volume. Krishna is like, 2 liters of water, and then there's like 50 milliliters. And when you come to Radhakund, Radharani is like 100 milliliters up, and Krishna is only like 10. So immediately I can understand, and that's when I decided, somehow I decided, or I was allowed to decide. I was there and I thought, I'm missing Radhakund too much. I'm missing Radharani. I feel I want to go there. I want to be with that Radharani energy, that Shakti. As I said, this is like Purushottam Dham and Vrindavan. It's more the presence of Purusha. And here I find it's more the presence of Yugal. Because Giridhari is Krishna, and Radharani is Radharani. So it's very much Yugal here. And being, in the Gopi Bhav, Manjari Bhav, and Gaudiya Sampradaya, then I had read and understood by my own feelings that this is the place for Manjari Bhav, Radhakund. It's just everywhere here. And Raghunath Das Goswami,
actually that I was going to ask.
Raghunath Das Goswami, his writings are the main guidebooks for Gopi Bhav Bhajan. Especially his books, because it's all pure Gopi Bhav Manjari Bhajan. So he's saying prayers and he said, Radhakund, as soon as I saw you, and he writes one prayer, he says, Sapadi Kila Pushpa Radhadasyam, something like that. Radhadasya Prashasya. Sapadi Kila Pushpa Seva Radha Prashasya, something like this. He says that just by seeing Radhakund, the flowers, Pushpa, the flower of the desire to serve Radharani appears in the heart. And none of the Goswamis wrote anything like this about any other Leela Stali in Vrindavan. And they lived so long in Sevakunja and Nidhiban and all these places, and they wrote so much. But no one has written such an extraordinary glorification of Radhakund.